Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the Freeform environment and opening the part you will shape. Make sure units and orientation are set so measurements behave predictably. Next, insert or select a base surface or face. This gives you a topology-aware canvas. Once done, choose the Freeform tab and pick either surface or solid T-spline mode depending on your goal. You should immediately add a few control points or edges to establish primary flow. This prepares you to push and pull geometry with intent. Now you focus on detailed shaping with T-splines. Use the control polygon to push major volumes and move vertices, edges, or faces to define form. Apply crease for sharp features and smooth or subdivide to refine curvature. These tools affect topology differently, so pick accordingly. Make use of symmetry and mirror operations to save time and keep features consistent. Also, constrain handles and use reference sketches when aligning critical geometry. Once you have the middle forms locked, prepare for final cleanup and conversion steps. Finish by converting the T-spline into a solid or trimmed surface and inspect for manifold or non-manifold issues. You should use repair, fill, and merge tools to close small gaps and validate curvature continuity for downstream manufacturing. If you see shading artifacts or odd pinches, reduce local complexity or rebuild topology in that region. Sometimes deleting a few control points and resubdividing fixes problems. Finally, save incremental versions and export the desired format. A key tip: if things go wrong, simplify the local mesh before reapplying detail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.